Hello friends, வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. Today we are going to see basic biology GK top 50 questions. உயிரியல் வினா விடைகள். Classification of animals and plants is called taxonomy. All living things are divided into 5 main kingdoms. Bacteria are very small organisms. Plant diseases such as citrus canker are caused by algae. The most abundant living and without nucleus organisms is called bacteria. The organisms which convert milk into yogurt and sugar syrup into alcohol, bacteria. The main decomposers in the ecosystem, bacteria. The organism which help in baking, bacteria. Algae are green color but they do not have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Algae are placed in kingdom Protista. Bacteria are placed in Monera kingdom. Mushroom is also a type of fungus. The organism which help in making curd, fungi. The organism which play an important role in recycling, fungi. First antibiotic was extracted from a fungus. Which one is non-flowering plant? Moss. Rust and smut are diseases of plants caused by fungi. Animals are divided into 2 subgroups. Vertebrates which have backbone in their body. Vertebrates are further divided into 5 classes. Animals respire by gills or fishes. Shark is an example of fish. Amphibians can live both in water and on land. Example, frog. Microorganisms can only be seen with an equipment called microscope. Amphibian skin is moist and slippery. For example, frog, toad. That is TOAD. Reptiles are completely land vertebrates. Reptile skin is hard and tough and bears scales on it. Snakes, chameleon, crocodile, turtles and tortoise, etc. are reptiles vertebrates. Some birds cannot fly but run. They are called running birds. All birds lay eggs to produce their offspring. Mammals give birth to young ones and the mother feed the babies with her milk. Bat is a unique mammal that can fly in air. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Some mammals live in water like etc. Dolphin, whale. Invertebrates organisms do not have backbone in their bodies. Invertebrates organisms, for example, snail, ant, butterfly, spider, scorpion, etc. Insects have pairs of legs, 3. Generally, insects have 2 antennae. Which insect makes the soil fertile? Earthworm. It is a farmer friend also. The largest group of plants, flowering plants. Flowering plants are further divided into 2 subgroups. The plants having 1 cotyledon in their seeds are called monocots. Monocots, for example, maize, rice, wheat, etc. Seeds of dicot plant are made up of two cotyledons. Dicotyledon, for example, mango, lemon, peanut, fish, etc. Hepatitis and polio is caused by virus. Hepatitis affects liver, polio affects legs. The microorganisms used in baking industry is yeast. Microscope was invented by Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1667. Virus causes many diseases in men: influenza, measles, chicken, polio, that is chicken pox, polio, hepatitis, AIDS, etc. Virus was first discovered in 1935 by W. Stanley. To get this kind of video, you can subscribe my channel. If you like, you can share to your friends. Thank you.